Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. Quite interesting now with Mighty River Power moving into the next stage, where you're being asked to confirm your details with the broker that you registered with. And this is all sort of taking place now in the backdrop of the potential oversupply of electricity in the New Zealand market with the ongoing negotiations Rio Tinto and Tiwai Point. So that would be very interesting to see how that sort of plays out. At the moment there's nothing too much to worry about, but it just will be interesting to see what happens there and whether that uncertainty out there does just quell a little bit of enthusiasm out there for Mighty River Power. Overall though, share markets finished the first quarter in pretty positive form. Markets were up over the course of the first 3 months. There's now just to see whether those gains can be held going through the sort of summer months in the Northern Hemisphere. Certainly it's quite interesting looking at the results coming out at the moment. Very interesting to see the results coming out of the mortgage broker Fannie Mae out of the US. If you remember, that was one of the companies that had to be rescued during the height of the global financial crisis, and that actually turned in near record profits now for last year. So it has turned around and really does show the strength of the US economy, and more importantly the housing market in the US, which really could be the driving force now for the US economy over the next sort of 2 to 3 years. With that high New Zealand dollar, still a pretty good opportunity out there to review your offshore shares, see just how they're performing, and if you've got a little bit of spare money out there, given where interest rates are, where currency rates are, may be worthwhile looking at some of these offshore shares as a sort of investment opportunity. Potentially, there could be some pretty reasonable returns if the currency goes back to sort of around 75 US dollars. And probably around sort of 48.50 on the British pounds. So if you're interested in reviewing any of those opportunities, call us on 0800 867 323 or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.